Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to close Lloyd's bank account. The first thing I want you to do is launch up the Lloyd's app, and then I want you to come at the top right. Click on this question mark icon, and then here what I want you to do is go ahead and click on this icon again, and then you'll be here in the support page. And here you'll actually find this option, message us 24/7. Now, what you can do is you can just go ahead and click on this, and then it will go ahead and initiate this. And since you can go ahead and not directly click somewhere to close a bank account inside the app, but you can message them and request them. So if you can go ahead and close, for example, a savings account, but if you want to close an actual Lloyd bank account, the entire bank account, then what you would have to do is go ahead and send them a message right here, and then the assistant will help you through the process. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Really helps me out as well.